Good evening, guys. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. We are discussing about analogy and its types. There are 9 types. Already we saw about that, along with some examples and what kind of questions they asked in the analogy. Also, we seen that. Now we are discussing about SSC and back exam asked question from type 1 analogy. Okay. This is the last session of type 1 continuous analogous type. Find the continuous analogous type. Okay. First question is quack, quack, duck. Similarly, bellows. Question mark. This question was asked in SSSC 2003-2 exam. Quack, duck, bellows, question mark. The options are cat, B, frog, C, bull, D, fox. Quack is a sound made by duck. Quack, quack. Similarly, bellows is a sound made by which animal? Can you identify it? Quack, duck. Bellows, bull. Bull is the right answer. Bellows is a sound made by bull. The second question is book, critic, building, question mark. And this question was asked at SSC 2001. SSC 2001 asked question book, critic. Similarly, building, question mark. The options are A, engineer, B, contractor, C, waiter, D, appraiser. What is the meaning of critic? Critic is nothing but vimarsahar. Whether the book is good to read or it contains any important points like that, they will say no, vimarsahar. Book is critic. Similarly, building. Building is associated with which one? Engineer, contractor, weigher or appraiser? Yes, appraiser. Appraiser means மதிப்பீட்டாளர். Can you get it? These are similar. See, book is a good or bad. The contained points or useful or not or extra one. It's a unwanted one is said by the critic man. Similarly, building. Building is tall, short, and the designs made in the building is comfortable to live is said by appraiser. So these are the similar meaning. This kind of question also they will ask. So now we are moving to third question. street, lane. Similarly, road, question mark. The options are avenue, highway, option C, footpath, option D, junction. In a street, there are small lanes to go somewhere to some other street. A connection path. We can say a street to, if you want to go to next street, you must go on that lane only. So that's called street. In a street, the lane travels to another street. Similarly, road. Road is suitable for avenue or highway or footpath or junction. Can you identify it? Yes, avenue. Avenue is nothing but a broad road. A road is a broad road, and the avenue also a broad road which divides from the road along a left or right, which contains trees, large trees, a broad road. Okay, that's the answer. Then fourth question. Good. This is the easiest one. Bad. Similarly, roof. This question was asked at SSC 2000 exam. The options are window, B floor, C walls, D pillars. So good and bad are antonyms, opposite to each other. Similarly, roof is opposite to, yes, floor. This is the easiest one. You can easily identify it. Then the fifth question. Is monotony, variety, crudeness, question mark. The options are, so this question was asked at SSC 2001 exam. The options are A, refinement, B, raw, C, sobriety, D, simplicity. So mono, we already know mono is nothing but single. Variety is nothing but more. That's the meaning. Okay, mono, single, variety, more. So single and more are just opposite to each other. And then crudeness. Crudeness means a mixed of some anything, mixed of oil. We can say crude oil is the example. Mixed of all oils. Refinement means we have to extract particularly, if you want to extract particularly castor oil means it's called as refinement. Am I right? So monotony is single, variety is more. They are opposite to each other. Similarly, crudeness means mixing of some oils. For example, I am saying mixed oils. If you want to extract castor oil means is called as refinement. Okay, then sixth question. January, November. Similarly, Sunday. Question mark. This question was asked at SSC 2003 exam. This is a simple one but little bit confusing. The options are Monday, Tuesday, C, Friday, D, Saturday. What's the confusion present in that? So, January is first month of every year. November is 11th month of every year. Similarly, Sunday is the seventh day or fixed first day, you can say anything. Just I am similar to first, so also here I am writing first. Okay, here the difference is 10. If you choose the same difference as 10, you get the answer as the difference is 10. Am I right? Similarly, the next difference is 10. If you calculate like that means first Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is the 10th day. 10 means 1 plus 10, 11. Can you get that? But in the option, there is no Wednesday. Can you understand? One time I am saying, again I am saying, Sunday is the first day. Sunday. This is Sunday. First day. Second is Tuesday. Third, Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6, Saturday. Again 7 is Sunday. Am I right? Again 8th day is after Sunday. 8th is Tuesday. Sorry, Monday. Yeah, I missed Monday, na? Sorry. This is Monday. So leave this. Again I am saying here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. So here what this is difference Sunday and the next day next answer should have the difference of 10. Similar to January and November. Like that if we do means Sunday is the first, second day, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, again 8, 9, and then 10. Tuesday 10, and then next day 11. So 10 plus 1, 11. Here also 1 plus 10, 11. 11th one is November. Can you get it? So if we do like this, the 11th day must be Wednesday. We already found 11th day must be Wednesday. But here there is no options are given in Wednesday. So what will be the answer? Can you guess it? So there is a trick in this. Calculate from November. November, after November, it's December, then January. They left 1 month, December, and then they written as January. Similarly, what should be here? We must left one day. That means the answer should be Friday. We must left Saturday. Friday, Saturday, then Sunday. So Friday is the right answer. Can you get it? So if you calculate 1 plus 10 is 11th, 11th month is November. Similarly, 1 plus 10, 11, Sunday, we have to calculate from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, 1 week passed, and then after 4 days, 11th day is Wednesday. If you write and check it out, means the answer is not present in question. So this is the trick present in this. If we search for Wednesday, there is no option given in Wednesday. So November, December, January. Similarly, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is the right answer. So Friday is the right answer. Okay. So here I conclude. Tomorrow we can see with more examples. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Bye.